Ugh. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. Okay guys, welcome to my channel, BJD Beautifully Jagged Dolls. Finally got one of my orders in from China, and again this time, like the ones I'd ordered back in January that took 3 months to get here, here we are again with 3 months order finally coming in. It's one, I'm not real sure which doll this is. I think I kind of know what doll it is, but I'm going to open it up. This is going to be a quick video. I thought I would share it with you so you can see what we got here. So let's just open it up and I'll give you some rating on the doll, what it's like. Cut it open. This one's a little different. I've never had one that had the foam on it like this. So let's get this under the camera. Cut this off. Oh my gosh, I think I just cut her hair. Oh, poor baby. Here she comes. Oh, she's really, really cute. This is the first one of this type of doll that I've bought with open eyes. I've always bought them with closed eyes. So I'm so excited to get her, even though I think I cut her hair. See if any of it falls out. Size a normal amount. It doesn't look like I did. Cut her hair, yay! I didn't cut her hair after all. She's pretty cute. I love this pink hair. It's kind of more of a champagne color, don't you think? She's really, really, really super cute. I love her little face. She needs a complete face up, complete repaint. She's got these really dumb shoes that I'm starting to get a collection of now. But I love her. I just love how she looks like a little girl. And she has all of these joints. She has great joints. You can bend her like that. You can bend her wrist. Ugh. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. But you can, her hands are interchangeable. So that's good to know. Here we go. See if I can do this again. There we go. She's really, really flexible. So that's really cool. Her head, it almost looks like they don't have her head all the way on, actually. See how her head looks there? It's a little collarbone. Her arms go up and down like this. They turn. Once you get that new broke loose. Elbows, good, nice, sharp turn. Again with the wrist. So if I can do this without, there. Without pulling the hand off. Turnable. She has great legs that turn. This is not a waist turn. It's just a kind of an indentation there, like underwear. But she has great turn on the legs. Her knees. Whoa, see how that kind of separates there? That's not really good. But she's ankles turn back and forth, up and down. She's still really cute, and she's a very inexpensive doll, and she came from Aliexpress in China. So if you're interested in a doll like her, you can get her. Oh, I say for maybe $10, $12, but she's pretty inexpensive. I wanted to show you guys something on her hair. I mean, I love the color of her hair, but she's got this one really long hair. See, the rest of them are like not that long, but this one is like super long. So I'm just going to cut it off, you know, but I had to show that to you. She comes with these little ponytails. But I tell you, I know these dolls are not really expensive. And of course, when we get done with them, they are adorable. But this doll is so cute. I just love her so much. Don't you just love her face? She's so adorable. Inexpensive and adorable and so poseable. How can you pass up on something like this? Seriously, she is cute. Get you one. She's adorable. Or wait for ours and buy ours. That'll work too. Tell them bye. Bye, guys. Thanks for sharing another video with me. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. I love comments. Always do a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It gets noticed to my channel. And if you would please share my video with all your friends. That helps get it out there to the public so I can get more subscribers, because I love subscribers. The more subscribers I get, the happier I am. And if you want to know about my next video, just hit the bell and it will give you a notification when the next one's coming up, because all these dolls that we're opening to show you, we are working on, and they will all be totally different, and we will put them online so you can see them, because they'll become a beautifully jagged doll. Again, thank you and have a great day. Bye.